Hello, you've made it all the way to number 5 of learning programming with JavaScript. This is going to be a pretty special tutorial. We're going to teach you to actually make your first web page and little JavaScript app. We're going to move away from the console. So right here I have a file number5.html. You can just create your own by going new text document. I'm going to be editing mine in gedit right here. You can edit yours in whatever text editor you want. I like this because it has text highlighting. Alright, so let us begin. We need to wrap our code in a script tag here. This is the HTML script tag. And then in here we can write whatever JavaScript we would like. So for example, we can start with the first tutorial again and output alert hello world. So now when we open this web page, it outputs hello world. There we go. So this is your first actual JavaScript web page. You could upload this to a server and this would technically be a website. Not a very good one, but it's still a website.